In this video, we'll see how to use ChatGPT to generate the code for Arduino. So let's get started. So this is the ChatGPT. I have already logged in into the ChatGPT. I will enter the command here, or I will enter the statement here like write the code for LED blinking for Arduino Uno. Immediately ChatGPT has started to write the code, also provided the explanation. So as you can see, this is the code for LED blinking. I will ask ChatGPT to write another code. Write the code, write the Arduino code to send hello world message on serial. So as soon as I enter the statement, ChatGPT has created the code and explained the code as well. Now I will ask ChatGPT, can you please combine above both codes, and it will combine both code into one code. As you can see, this is the combined code for LED blinking and to send hello world message on the serial. So let's copy the code and we'll see whether this code works or not. Select the board here. I will select the board as a Arduino Uno. Here we go. Now I will select the COM port. Here COM port is 6. Now I will upload the code to the Arduino. And as you can see, LED is blinking. And I will open the serial terminal here. Adjust the baud rate. And as you can see, it's printing hello world. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos.